بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most compassionate, most merciful.
إذا السماء انشقت
When the sky bursts open,
وأذنت لربها وحقت
obeying its Lord as it must,
وإذا الأرض مدت
and when the earth is flattened out
وألقت ما فيها وتخلت
and ejects all its contents and becomes empty,
وأذنت لربها وحقت
obeying its Lord as it must, surely you will all be judged.
يا أيها الإنسان إنك كادح إلى ربك كدحا فملاقيه.
O humanity, indeed you are laboring restlessly towards your Lord and will eventually meet the consequences.
فأما من أوتي كتابه بيمينه
As for those who are given their record in their right hand,
فسوف يحاسب حسابا يسيرا
they will have an easy reckoning
وينقلب إلى أهله مسرورا
and will return to their people joyfully.
وأما من أوتي كتابه وراء ظهره
And as for those who are given their record in their left hand from behind their backs,
فسوف يدعو ثبورا
they will cry for instant destruction
ويصلى سعيرا
and will burn in the blazing fire.
إنه كان في أهله مسرورا
For they used to be prideful among their people.
إنه ظن أن لن يحور
Thinking they would never return to Allah.
بلى إن ربه كان به بصيرا
Yes, they would. Surely their Lord has always been all-seeing of them.
فلا أقسم بالشفق
So I do swear by the twilight,
والليل وما وسق
and by the night and whatever it envelops,
والقمر إذا اتسق
and by the moon when it waxes full.
لتركبن طبقا عن طبق
You will certainly pass from one state to another.
فما لهم لا يؤمنون
So what is the matter with them that they do not believe?
وإذا قرئ عليهم القرآن لا يسجدون
And when the Quran is recited to them, they do not bow down in submission.
بل الذين كفروا يكذبون
In fact, the disbelievers persist in denial.
والله أعلم بما يوعون
But Allah knows best whatever they hide.
فبشرهم بعذاب أليم
So give them good news of a painful punishment.
إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات لهم أجر غير ممنون.
But those who believe and do good will have a never-ending reward.